If you're asking me which is going to be the best grid-tied inverter for your project, normally I'm going to steer you to Solar Edge, which is a string inverter that uses DC optimizers on each panel. It's very efficient, it's a simple installation, and it's incredibly reliable. With that said, we've got a lot of inverter options. We've got SMA Sunny Boys, which is a tried and true inverter that's been around for a very long time. One of the oldest names in the industry. They work great. They don't have as many options when it comes to monitoring and actually seeing the panels, seeing how they're operating, and giving you that depth of detail on your system. But if you're looking for something that's simple, comes at a great price, and works effectively, SMA Sunny Boy is a great choice. We also carry in-phase microinverters. It's a very modular approach to solar, of simple installation, high efficiency, but it's also one of your most expensive options you can go with.